Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In food science and technology, we are discussing the food constituents, and in food constituents, we have discussed the water, carbohydrates, proteins, and fats and oil. In fats and oil, today we will discuss the rancidity and types of rancidity and how they can be controlled. Remember that when the fats and oil are stored for a prolonged period of time, some objectionable flavors or odorous substances or compounds are produced in it due to two reasons that will be discussed later on. The production of the odorous compounds, the objectionable flavors in the fats and oil, making it spoiled, that is spoiling it, and this is called rancidity. Now, the types of rancidity are two: oxidative rancidity and hydrolytic rancidity. In oxidative rancidity, it is due to the presence of oxygen in the presence of sunlight and high temperature, catalyzed by iron and copper, which are the inorganic elements, making some odorous compounds such as aldehydes, ketones, alcohols, etc., and the fats and oil, making it spoiled and unfit for human consumption. How it can be controlled? They can be controlled if the fats and oil are stored in the cool places at low temperature, in the dark places where light can't reach, and in the airtight containers where oxygen cannot penetrate into the food containers. So, the oxidative rancidity can be controlled if the fats and oil are stored in the airtight containers, in the dark places, and in the refrigerated or cold places. Now, the hydrolytic rancidity. In hydrolytic rancidity, in the fats and oil, the lipase enzymes are present over there naturally. They are present over there, and if the water is available, they will break down the fatty acid, glycerol, esters, and will make some odorous compounds such as aldehydes, ketones, alcohol, etc., and will make it objectionable and will spoil the fats and oil, and that will not be able to be consumed, to be utilized in the food commodities. But in this case, if they are heated to a certain temperature at which the lipase enzymes are denatured. Remember that the enzymes can be denatured by reaching a specific temperature. So the food, the fats and oil will be secured if the lipase enzymes are denatured by heat treatment. In this lecture, we discussed two things: rancidity and its two types, that is oxidative and hydrolytic. The oxidative rancidity is due to the presence of oxygen in the presence of sunlight and high temperature catalyzed by the copper and iron, and the hydrolytic rancidity, which is due to the presence of the water acted upon by the lipase enzymes and how they will be controlled. This was all about the fats and oil. In the upcoming lecture, we will discuss the vitamins. If you have any question regarding this lecture or the previous lectures, you can ask. I will appreciate to answer your questions. Thank you.